Hello my lovely ladies and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Danielle and I'm the founder and CEO of Christian Girl Next Door Ministries, where I help you lovely ladies to define and beautify your walk with Christ with online resources and outreach programs. So today's video is all about how to have a soft life. So if you're into fashion, faith, and femininity, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoyed this content. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video.
Go for me till let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Our first tip on how to create a soft life and how to exude this soft femininity, let's get this out the way, is that it's going to take time to obtain. You're not magically gonna start doing these steps and exude this soft femininity. No, this actually takes time to obtain. So one of the biggest things that you can do for yourself to obtain this soft femininity and this soft life is to spend time in prayer before the world arises. That means getting up at 6 a.m., 7 a.m. before the world is awake to have this intimate time with Jesus, to cast your burdens onto him. The burdens of yesterday, the burdens of the week prior, that you give him your burdens and say, "Here, Lord, I am laying this at your feet. I no longer want that." And in return, because you're spending that intimate time with the Lord, he will in return fill you with his love and peace. And with going out into the world, you are filled with the love of the Lord and his peace. You will give that off. My next point is to know that you are valuable. To know that you are created in the image of God. So do not let the world or social media scrutinize what God has created. You are created in his image. You are beautiful. You are the daughter of the King of Kings. He even said, "You are more precious than jewels." So to know that you are valuable means that you will not allow people to treat you a certain way, and you will only accept the best. Knowing your value also means that you have to be aware of what you deposit into your life, whether that's shows that you watch, whether that's movies, music, even the people you hang around with. If you want to exude this soft life and this soft femininity, you're not gonna hang out with people who smoke or drink or cuss, because that's the opposite of what you're trying to be. Also, you are a reflection of Jesus. We are not supposed to blend in and be of the world. My next tip is creating. Beautify your life. Get dressed, put on makeup, spend a little time self-care, whether it's doing your nails or reading a book. My next point is to also have hobbies. To exude this soft femininity is to learn to create. We as women, the Lord, we are called to create life, to create a home. So whether it's gardening, painting, sewing, reading, or decorating your room, get into the habit of creating things. So we are at the end of the video. I hope you lovely ladies enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right there because it would mean the absolute world. I can't wait to see you guys next Friday. Bye!